Student, as I'm going to show the different type of patterns in the particular programming section of Python. Now today I'm going to show you another particular pattern in this section. See here, this is one loop has been created, and in this loop let us run the loop, then it will be clear to you little bit more. So how the loop is going to work. See the loop. Okay, I'm see nicely, this is the section, this is the part how the loop is working. So I have given the range from 7. Okay, then it will go till 1, and what is the step? -1. It will going to run the loop. Now this is the first for the for loop. Now next for j loop, this is for the I loop, this is for the j loop. In j loop, what the range is from 1, then I minus 1. Okay, it will print the value of j, and then it will go to the next line. So similarly, what happened, it will start from the range of that particular thing. So as it is starting from this range, what we find it that it has started from 1 2 3 4 5, because we know up to 6, that means it will go 7 minus 1 means up to 6 it will going to run. So as soon as it 6 means up to 5 it will going to do the work. Okay, so this is what this is the loop has been run for the first time. The second time the loop has run and it has deducted one value from there. Yeah, so one value from there it has printed out up to 4. Next what, up to 1 2 3. Okay, next phase 1 and 2, and next phase is 1. So this is what the reverse pattern of the loop. This is the loop, and this loop has been just reverses. This program, I think you have remembered, I have discussed in my previous videos. This program has just reversed the videos, that means reverse the particular loop, and I have started it from this particular range and to do the work of it. So this is how you find it, that inside of the one particular loop another loop is working and it is going to that phase. Now minus up to -1, that means from the 7th position it is running. Range from 7 to 1, that means 7th position it is running. Okay, so 7th position it is running. As soon as it start from the 7th position it is running. So this is what the practical phase of the loop that will going to have. That means the loop is running from the 7th position, but originally it came up to the 6th position. Okay, -1 means 6. 6 means how many times? That means for the 5 times. So see how two places has been deducted in the particular this pattern of declaration of this series. Okay, if you declare the series in this pattern, you see it how it has been reduced. This is what you find it, that the thing has been reduced up to a particular stage. Up to a particular stage means 2 stage it has reduced, and reducing that 2 stage it has, because this is the scenario, this is the pattern of the your loop declaration pattern, and based on this loop declaration pattern the work of this particular loop has been conducted. Okay, so as the work of this particular loop has been conducted, it is fine that as soon as you run this loop, the inner loop will going to run for the -1 time, and -1 means 6. 6 means up to 5 times the loop is running. Okay, so it will print up to 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. So inner loop is running, will going to give the output of 5 times, and outer loop will going to run more than that. Except it, if I make the outer loop run less than that, then what will happen? It will not going to print, and those the range cannot be implemented. So -1 from here, so it will become 6, and -1 from here it will become 5. So from this section, -6 minus 1 is 5, and from this section 7 minus 1 is 6. The outer loop will run for the 6th time, inner loop will run then for minus more 1 time, that means for what time? For the time of 5. Okay, so I minus 1 means when the value of this is 6, that means 6 minus 1 is what? 5. So it is giving the result up to the 5. Okay, so this is what you find it, that the loop is executing or loop is working in this particular way, in this particular form. So this is one thing to be noticed, that outer loop and inner loop how they are executing. In the plus time, when we have done they are +1, that means when we haven't written anything it is +1. So at the time of +1, the loop will run, see this program